going to grow at 7.5 to up to 8%, and we may grow even better in period of time. And India is the only leading example in the world who is giving growth. And all that growth is coming not because we are a manufacturing hub. That growth is coming because we are a consumption story and our economics is very, very robust. The inflation is under control. It's again a good sign. So all these are very positive aspects, so I call it as exciting as well as, because we as business people have quite a big role to play in development of the country. And that's how the image of the country is being built up. The survey has already come in, which are projecting many, many pointers to us. Some are good, some are not so exciting to us. We find good is always like progress is going to happen, GDP is going to grow, the inflation is going to be under control. The deficit is going to be under control, but to my mind there are few things which are concerning for us as business people. The government, in terms of taxations, the government is looking at taxing much more. It sees the benefits they give under savings, like Provident Fund, they are going to tax. This is what they have projected. They have set it as a subsidy rather than as a benefit or as a social scheme. So it's challenging to see how this will come through. The government is saying that in the survey, the monetary policy, it says the rupee should be weakened at an opportune moment and we need to correct our rupee. It's a very debatable point from one perspective. The RBI governor says the rupee should be stronger if it can, and the other side we find that government wants to weaken it. To my mind, I like to say at this point, I am in support of rupee being stronger. Why rupee being stronger? If you look at it, unless you have FDI in this country, we cannot grow at a faster pace.